Time for a new series, even though we haven't finished Truth and Survival. This one is going to be Mother Nature's Tits. Seem to come in every shape, size, and composition possible. The clouds love them, as you can see. And, as you may have guessed, so do I. This will be episode 1. I'll fill in the name another time. Eagles Bluff. Hey Cindy, you love Mother Nature's tits like I do? Yes. How about you, Bear? Do you love Mother Nature's tits the way I do? See, yeah, that's a definite nodding the head up and down. Well, there we go. And if you want yours to be included, just let me know. Share them with me, and I'll nip over there and eventually and stick them in the playlist. And eventually, when finally I suck somebody into doing all my editing that can handle that kind of stuff, she'll compile them all into a nice long video. You know, the way you kind of sit there and watch your fake fireplace on TV. Bingo!